In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Instagram Lite app. So if you're facing any challenge with your app, maybe your app is very slow or it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem for once and for all. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to troubleshoot Instagram Lite app. In one of the methods, we shall need to go ahead and access the app information page. For this, just go to your smartphone and then look for settings. Now from settings, look for the option called apps. Under apps, go ahead and select the option called manage apps or all apps on your smartphone. This will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, go ahead and look for the app that you want to troubleshoot. And as you can see, my Instagram Lite app is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And we are on the app information page. And this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if it is too complex to get to this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you have located your app, just long press on it and choose the second option, which is app info. Now from here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially the cache data. We can use this clear data option to do so. So if I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see the breakdown of data usage, data stored by this app. And of importance, we are interested with this cache data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of much cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, just go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, which is clear cache. Now, you don't have to worry. This will not erase any information on your app. Your app will still be intact. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then your app now should be up and running without any problem. However, should this not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and tap on manage space. And through this, you can go ahead and clear data for maybe your photo cache, video cache. And from here, you may want to go ahead and clear any data over these three that still remains. But as you can see here, all the data has been cleared and everything is 0. So everything should be okay. However, if you still can't access your app or you can't operate your app, then go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. I'm on Android smartphone and therefore I'll go to my Play Store and then search for your Instagram Lite app and then look for any update if it is available. If you see any update, go ahead and tap on update and this will go ahead and download and install the latest version of Instagram Lite. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Instagram Lite. All you need to do is to go ahead and update it, and this will also fix any bugs or security issues related to your older version of the Instagram app. So that's how you do it. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.